Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of DeFi, short for decentralized finance. If you're new to crypto, don't worry, we'll break everything down step by step. DeFi is one of the most exciting innovations in the crypto space, changing how people interact with money and financial services. In this video, we'll explain what DeFi is, how it works, and why it's making waves in the crypto market. Let's start by understanding the basics and why DeFi matters for everyone, not just tech experts. DeFi stands for decentralized finance. It refers to a collection of financial services, like lending, borrowing, and trading, that operate without traditional banks or intermediaries. Instead, DeFi uses blockchain technology, mainly on networks like Ethereum, to create open and accessible financial tools. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, making DeFi a truly global movement. This means you don't need to rely on a bank to save, invest, or borrow money. Everything happens through smart contracts and decentralized apps or DApps. How does DeFi actually work? At its core, DeFi uses smart contracts, self-executing programs on the blockchain. These contracts automatically handle transactions like lending or trading without needing a middleman. For example, if you want to lend your crypto, a smart contract will lock your funds and pay you interest, all transparently and securely. This automation reduces costs and increases trust, since everything is visible on the blockchain. DeFi platforms are open source, so anyone can inspect or improve them. DeFi brings several unique features to the table. First, it's permissionless, anyone can join without approval. Second, it's borderless, meaning you can access DeFi from anywhere in the world. Third, it's transparent, since all transactions are recorded on public blockchains. Finally, DeFi is programmable, allowing developers to create new financial products quickly. These features make DeFi more inclusive and innovative compared to traditional finance, opening up new opportunities for users everywhere. Let's compare DeFi to traditional finance. In the old system, banks and financial institutions control your money and charge fees for their services. With DeFi, you control your assets directly, and fees are often much lower. There's no need to trust a central authority since everything is managed by code. This shift empowers users and removes barriers that have kept many people out of the financial system. DeFi is all about giving you more freedom and control over your finances. Smart contracts are the backbone of DeFi. Think of them as digital agreements that execute automatically when certain conditions are met. For example, if you lend crypto, the smart contract ensures you get paid back with interest. These contracts are code on the blockchain, making them tamper-proof and transparent. Because they run automatically, there's no need for human intervention, which reduces errors and speeds up transactions. This technology is what makes DeFi possible. DeFi isn't just a concept, it's a thriving ecosystem with many real-world applications. Some of the most popular DeFi platforms include decentralized exchanges, DEXs like Uniswap, lending platforms like OV, and stablecoins like DAI. These apps let you trade, lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto, all without a bank. Each platform operates on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. The variety of DeFi apps continues to grow, offering more options for users every day. Decentralized exchanges or DEXs are a key part of DeFi. Unlike traditional exchanges, DEXs let you trade cryptocurrencies directly with others without an intermediary. This means you keep control of your funds at all times. DEXs use smart contracts to match buyers and sellers, making trading faster and often cheaper. Popular DEXs include Uniswap and SushiSwap. These platforms have made it easier for anyone to access a wide range of tokens and participate in the crypto market. One of the most popular uses of DeFi is lending and borrowing. Platforms like OV and Compound let you lend your crypto to others and earn interest or borrow against your crypto holdings. The process is simple. Deposit your assets and smart contracts handle the rest. There's no need for credit checks or paperwork. Interest rates are set by supply and demand, and everything is transparent. This opens up new financial opportunities for people around the world. Stablecoins are a special type of cryptocurrency designed to keep a stable value, usually pegged to the US dollar. In DeFi, stablecoins like DAI and USDC are widely used for trading, lending, and saving. They help reduce the volatility often seen in crypto markets, making DeFi more accessible for beginners. By using stablecoins, you can participate in DeFi without worrying about sudden price swings. This stability is crucial for building trust and usability in the DeFi ecosystem. Yield farming is a way to earn extra rewards in DeFi by providing liquidity to platforms. When you deposit your crypto into a liquidity pool, you help facilitate trading or lending, and in return you earn interest or tokens. Yield farming can be complex, but it's become a popular way for users to maximize their returns. However, it's important to understand the risks, as returns can fluctuate and there's always a chance of losing your funds. Liquidity pools are at the heart of many DeFi platforms. They're collections of funds locked in smart contracts used to facilitate trading or lending. When you add your crypto to a pool, you become a liquidity provider and earn a share of the fees generated by the platform. This system keeps DeFi platforms running smoothly and ensures there's always enough liquidity for users to trade or borrow. It's a win-win for both the platform and its users. While DeFi offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of the risks. Smart contracts can have bugs or vulnerabilities which hackers might exploit. There's also the risk of losing your funds if a platform fails or is attacked. Additionally, the value of crypto assets can be volatile, affecting your returns. Always do your research before using a DeFi platform and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Understanding the risks helps you make safer choices. Security is a top concern in DeFi. Developers work hard to audit and test smart contracts, but no system is perfect. Some platforms offer insurance or bug bounties to encourage responsible disclosure of vulnerabilities. As a user, you should look for platforms with strong security practices and a good reputation. Using hardware wallets and enabling two-factor authentication can also help protect your funds. Staying informed and cautious is key to staying safe in DeFi. DeFi has had a huge impact on the crypto market. It's brought new users, increased trading volumes, and driven innovation across the industry. By making financial services more accessible, DeFi has helped crypto move beyond just speculation. Now people use crypto for real-world purposes like earning interest, borrowing, and making payments. This shift has made the crypto market more dynamic and resilient, attracting attention from both individuals and institutions. DeFi market has grown rapidly in just a few years. Billions of dollars are now locked in DeFi platforms and new projects launch every month. This growth has created new opportunities for investors, developers, and everyday users. As more people discover DeFi, the ecosystem continues to expand, offering more services and products. The rapid pace of innovation means there's always something new to explore in DeFi. One of DeFi's biggest promises is financial inclusion. Traditional banking often excludes people without access to banks or credit. DeFi changes this by letting anyone with a smartphone and internet connection join the financial system. This opens up new possibilities for people in developing countries or those underserved by banks. By removing barriers, DeFi helps create a more inclusive and fair financial world. DeFi is a hotbed of innovation. Developers are constantly creating new financial products, from prediction markets to insurance and synthetic assets. This creativity is possible because DeFi is open source and programmable. Anyone can build on top of existing platforms, leading to rapid experimentation and improvement. The result is a vibrant ecosystem where new ideas can flourish and users benefit from better services. Despite its promise, DeFi faces several challenges. Scalability is a big issue. Blockchain networks can get congested, leading to high fees and slow transactions. Regulation is another concern as governments try to figure out how to oversee DeFi without stifling innovation. User experience can also be confusing for beginners with complex interfaces and jargon. Overcoming these challenges will be key to DeFi's long-term success. Regulation is a hot topic in DeFi. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate decentralized platforms since there's no central company or owner. Some countries are embracing DeFi while others are cautious. The goal is to protect users without stopping innovation. As DeFi grows, clear rules and guidelines will help build trust and encourage more people to participate. Staying informed about regulations is important for anyone involved in DeFi. DeFi and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are two of the biggest trends in crypto, and they're starting to overlap. Some DeFi platforms now let you use NFTs as collateral for loans or earn rewards by staking NFTs. This combination is creating new ways for users to interact with digital assets and unlock value. As the technology evolves, expect to see even more creative uses for NFTs in DeFi. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, are another important part of DeFi. DAOs let users govern platforms by voting on proposals and changes. This means the community, not a central company, decides how the platform evolves. DAOs use smart contracts to automate decision-making and ensure transparency. By giving users a voice, DAOs make DeFi more democratic and responsive to user needs. Getting started with DeFi is easier than you might think. First, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask and some cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum. Next, connect your wallet to a DeFi platform such as Uniswap or Aave. From there, you can start trading, lending, or exploring other services. Always start small and take time to learn how each platform works. There are plenty of guides and tutorials to help you along the way. So many DeFi platforms available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Look for platforms with a good reputation, strong security, and clear documentation. Check if the platform has been audited and if it offers customer support. Reading reviews and joining community forums can also help you make an informed decision. Remember, it's always best to start with well-known platforms before exploring newer or riskier options. Risk management is crucial in DeFi. Only invest what you can afford to lose and diversify your assets to reduce exposure. Use secure wallets and enable extra security features. Stay updated on platform news and potential vulnerabilities. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of DeFi while minimizing your risks. Remember, the crypto world moves fast, so staying informed is your best defense. There are many resources to help you learn about DeFi. Online tutorials, forums, and official documentation are great places to start. Many DeFi platforms offer educational content to guide new users. You can also find videos, podcasts, and blogs dedicated to DeFi topics. Taking the time to learn will help you make smarter decisions and avoid common mistakes. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel using DeFi. Future of DeFi looks bright. As technology improves and more people join, DeFi will likely become a bigger part of the global financial system. We may see new types of financial products, better user experiences, and stronger security. DeFi could even help shape the future of money itself. By staying curious and open-minded, you can be part of this exciting journey as DeFi continues to evolve. Many people have found success in DeFi, from earning passive income to launching new projects. Some early adopters have seen impressive returns by providing liquidity or participating in governance. Developers have built thriving communities and innovative products. These stories show that DeFi is more than just a trend. It's a movement that empowers individuals and rewards creativity. Your own DeFi journey can start with just a few clicks. As you explore DeFi, you'll encounter some common terms. For example, APY stands for annual percentage yield, which shows how much you can earn in a year. TVL means total value locked, indicating how much money is in a DeFi platform. Gas fees are transaction costs on the blockchain. Learning these terms will help you navigate DeFi platforms with confidence and make informed decisions. Sum up, DeFi is transforming the way we think about money and financial services. By removing intermediaries and using blockchain technology, DeFi makes finance more open, accessible, and innovative. Whether you're looking to earn interest, borrow funds, or simply learn about crypto, DeFi is something for everyone. Take your time, start small, and keep learning. The world of DeFi is just getting started, and there's plenty of opportunity ahead.